Hey, Fidel here. Well, this pizza is I'm gonna kind of dedicate to some friends that we play a video game called Rainbow Six Siege together. I got friends kind of all over the world, and I'm gonna dedicate this to them because told them about my channel here, and I hope they become subscribers like the rest of you guys. So let's go ahead and make a pizza in their honor, and we're gonna eat that too. So we'll name names later. So okay. In the meantime, I hope everyone's staying safe with regard to the coronavirus and what's going on in your part of the world. I hope you guys are all staying safe. Do the right thing, and see everybody else on the other side, right? So, okay, let's make a pizza. So we're gonna make an Italian sausage and a spicy pepperoni. Okay. That's that. Pepperoni on there. I'll throw some mushrooms on there too. Why not? Don't want this to get too heavy because our dough is pretty tender today, so I won't overload it. Okay. Oh yes, this is a very tender dough, but it's going to be just fine. Okay, yeah, I think we've taken care of that quite well. The biggest risk with dough this soft is tearing. So, but I think we're okay with this one. We tore the first one, the second one came out fine, and this one I'm sure will be fine. See, when I get the opportunity to make pizza, and if friends don't mind me doing it, I like to experiment with a lot of things, and I like to go extreme, try to make the best possible, best tasting dough I can possibly make. And once I hone in my recipes, then I feel confident in selling those. And I really think this one's going to taste really good. It just seems really soft. I think this is cooking in probably under a minute here. Yeah, how's that? And so Jeff, aka Charlie Brown, and Snoopy, aka me, Fidel, that's our usernames online. We're gonna eat this. Give me that camera. Okay, you cut that, and yeah. So this is my friend Jeff here. He's from England, but he lives I don't know, about 600 miles, 700 miles, no, 700 kilometers northeast of where I live. And anyway, he's visiting me for a few days. We're playing games and eating pizza.
There you go.
Okay, all right, all right.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Okay, let's have a bite.
Camera towards us.
You see that? Okay. So Jeff, who are we dedicating this pizza to? Who are these people? We got Dean. We have
Dean from Scotland, yeah. We got
my brother Paul.
Paul. There's Tim, a
And
recent
there's-
friend that we
and
play often
Skits.
with.
There's Skits and her husband.
Uh-huh.
Trippy, if he's out there still. Anyway, here we are eating pizza.
Cheers.
Cheers. Until next time, and we'll see you online playing games. And that's what I do when I'm not making pizza. Playing games, right? Anyway, take care. Thanks for watching.